Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. The countdown begins. $SON token listing confirmed for December 22nd, 2024. The wait is finally over. The highly anticipated listing of the $SON token has been officially confirmed. Mark your calendars for December 22nd, 2024, at 11 o'clock Universal Time coordinated as $SON makes its grand debut on some of the biggest names in crypto trading. This milestone is expected to attract massive attention from traders and investors worldwide, ushering in a new era of growth and excitement for the $SON ecosystem. Where can you trade $SON? $SON will be available on several prominent cryptocurrency exchanges, ensuring accessibility and reliability for traders. Here are the confirmed platforms. Bitget, known for its user-friendly interface and extensive trading features. Gate.io, a reputable exchange with a strong global user base. MEXC, a fast-growing platform popular for listing innovative tokens. Hashkey Global, a trusted name for institutional-grade trading services. But that's not all. Additional exchanges are expected to join the list soon, further broadening access to $SON. This means more liquidity, more visibility, and a greater chance for traders everywhere to participate. Off-chain deposit options, what you need to know. In addition to exchange listings, the $SON project team will introduce off-chain deposit options to make onboarding even more convenient. These options aim to provide flexibility, enabling users to deposit funds easily without relying solely on blockchain transactions. Accessibility, ensuring more people can seamlessly participate in the $SON trading ecosystem. Efficiency, simplifying the process for both new and experienced traders. The exact terms and details of these off-chain deposits will be revealed closer to the launch date. Stay tuned to the official $SON announcements to get the latest updates. What makes $SON special? The $SON token is more than just another cryptocurrency. It represents an innovative project with a bold vision. By listing on major exchanges, $SON is poised to increase visibility, exposure to millions of traders worldwide. Enhance liquidity, more trading pairs and higher volume, making the token attractive to investors. Grow the community. A wider audience means more participation in the $SON ecosystem. The buzz surrounding this listing is already creating ripples in the crypto world. As traders gear up, many are speculating that $SON could be one of the most promising tokens in the coming months. Why December 22nd, 2024 matters. Listing dates are crucial in the crypto space, often marking the beginning of increased trading activity and price discovery. For $SON, December 22nd, 2024 is not just a date, it's a turning point. Here's why. High-profile launch. Listing on multiple top exchanges simultaneously is a strategic move to maximize impact. Global access. By targeting platforms with a strong international presence, $SON ensures global availability. Excitement in the community. The lead-up to the listing has already generated significant hype, with traders eagerly awaiting the opportunity to trade $SON. Prepare for the $SON listing. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer to crypto, this is the perfect time to get ready for the $SON launch. Here's how you can prepare. Sign up on confirmed exchanges. If you don't already have accounts on Bitget, Gate.io, MEXC, or Hashkey Global, now is the time to sign up. Verify your accounts early to avoid last-minute issues. Understand the $SON project. Familiarize yourself with the vision, roadmap, and use case of the $SON token. Knowing the fundamentals will help you make informed decisions. Set your trading strategies. Decide whether you'll hold $SON for the long term or trade based on short-term market trends. Set your goals and risk tolerance in advance. Stay updated. Follow $SON's official channels for real-time updates. Announcements about off-chain deposits, additional exchange listings, and trading pair details will be crucial as the launch date approaches. Looking ahead, the $SON token listing is not just a moment for the project team, but a significant event for the entire crypto community. With its strategic launch on major exchanges, the token is positioned to become a key player in the market. Whether you're investing, trading, or simply watching the market, December 22nd, 2024 promises to be an exciting day. Don't miss your chance to be part of this milestone moment. Get ready, stay informed, and let the $SON journey begin.